Hi all, it's Sofan from TechCycle. If you're a MIUI user, you might already know that there is ads on this system. There is ads on system application like installer, MI Music, MI Video, MI Themes, and like that application there is ads, and Xiaomi is calling it as recommendation rather than ad, but it is ad, and Xiaomi accepted that and they don't have any intention of stopping this. So in this video I'm going to show you guys a complete guide to remove the entire ad from the Xiaomi's custom ROM, that is MIUI systems. So in this video we are going to destroy. First of all, there is no single button to completely destroy these ads. You need to do it step by step, and you need to enter every application that is showing the ads, and you need to turn it off individually. So in this video we are going to do that. First of all, first we will disable the personalization of these ads, and we are going to control what we are sending to Xiaomi. So for that, head over to settings, additional settings, privacy, and on ad service, disable personalized recommendation, and just go back, and on user experience program, disable that, and send diagnostic data automatically, disable that too. So now we have disabled the recommendation of these ads or the personalization of these ads. So after that you need to disable the ads individually. So first we are going to start with the music app. So open up the music app and just swipe from the side, and on settings, advanced settings, receive recommendation, disable that. So after that we have disabled the ads on the MI Music app. Now to the MI Video app, do the same steps, that is settings or your account settings, online recommendation, turn off that, and now head over to security app and settings. On cleaner, just turn off receive recommendation, and on boost speed, turn off receive recommendation. On data usage, turn off the report data usage info, just don't send them anything. So after that, scroll down and choose receive recommendation, turn off that, and now you have just disabled little bit of this ad. Now you need to find all the application that is showing the ads, and you need to disable that. And for disabling the ads on the installer, while installing an application, just press settings and turn off receive recommendation. It's going to turn off that. And on file manager, do the same steps, go to settings, about, and disable the recommendation. And now to the theme, open up the theme application, go to settings and turn off the receive recommendation, and turn off personalized wallpaper selection. We are not going to send anything to Xiaomi. So after that, if you want to disable the recommendation on the shelf, just scroll down and choose the customize option, and just delete the recommendation from there. So that's it. That's how you disable the ads on this MIUI. So you can live a peaceful life without any ads. I know ads are the one that is making money, but we can't incorporate all the ads on our life. We need to make a stop button on some of these. So that's what we are doing. So that's it. That's how you disable ads on this MIUI. If I forgot about some other application that is showing ads, you can do the same steps, that is adopt to settings, advanced settings, or some other options that is like privacy, and disable this show recommendation. So you can disable the ads. So that's it. That's all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next one, and don't forget to subscribe.